So hello YouTube, what I have in front of me is actually this is the main star of the evening, but I wanted to show you why I bought this thing. Now this is a very inexpensive microphone. I think it's BOYA. I'm not even quite sure what's the name of the brand, but why I bought it. So I think 2 years ago I bought this one, Audio-Technica Lavalier microphone, because on Google it was in top 10 microphones, you know, in their search. Sorry, the noise that you hear is my dog, because they are blowing up firecrackers and she's not fond of that. Anyway, so I bought this microphone, and after like a month it just stopped working. It had that crackly noise, just like for example faulty cable when it's losing contact, but it was not the cable, it was the microphone itself. So I sent it for warranty, whatnot, and I got a new one. And after warranty expired, the same issue occurred. And I was like, okay. First off, I trimmed off the cable just a bit, and I connected this, which is my Rode Lavalier as well. And this thing is actually working properly, but the head itself of the Audio-Technica had gone faulty twice. So I have some sort of OCD, and I was just like, I cannot connect this thing to this thing and use it. It has to be in a perfect order, I guess. So I bought this thing, and I actually started unboxing it, but then I was like, hey, I record YouTube videos, why don't I unbox it on YouTube, and let's see what's inside, and test on my computer to see how good this thing actually is. I will be comparing it to this, because obviously this is the head of the Rode one. Main microphone on my camera is Rode as well, and they are actually quite good, but they are not cheap. Now this one was around 20 euros, maybe even less, maybe 15 with shipping. So this one, and let's see how good this thing actually is. So yeah, I kind of opened this thing, but yeah, Amazon. So here is the microphone. So this is the microphone, and these are actually the features. So if you would like, you can pause and read them. So let's see. So frequency range on this one is from 70 Hz to 800 kHz. Unlike Audio-Technica, which has a better range. Unlike Audio-Technica, which has frequency range from 50 Hz to 18 kHz. Let's see about the sensitivity. This one is minus 54 decibels, and this one is minus 30. So yeah, okay, fine. Audio-Technica is a bit better. Basically, more or less, it is the same. So anyway, since Audio-Technica died, I kind of repaired it. Well, repaired it. Let me show you what I actually did. I bought this thing off of eBay, and now it's universal mic. So you can actually connect any mic to the this little so let's open the BOYA M1 Pro, and again this was like 20 euros with shipping, and I think even less than 20 euros. So let's open it. So unlike Audio-Technica, right away I can see that it comes with a pouch, so this is awesome. Okay, let's see what else do we have inside. So we have silica gel, which is kind of cool, so that it does not get, you know, wet. This is a bit thicker than this thing, but unlike Audio-Technica, it comes with headphones out, so you can use this thing with your mobile phone. Well, courage. Anyway, so let's unscrew this thing and let's see what's inside. They are using the same battery, LR44, I believe. Yes, and there is plastic inside that protects the battery, so I shall remove this thing, and now it's on. The battery is the same, so I will be closing this thing, and it actually has this thing to pull the battery, which is kind of neat, because Audio-Technica does not have that thing. So this is smart thinking actually. Okay, and let's close this thing, and right away you can see that you have actually a couple of modes, which is off, and this off is declared as smartphones, so I'm guessing this is the passive version, I guess, cameras, and I believe this is the sound cards as well. And I actually have other switch which is 0 and -10 decibels, just if if this thing is too strong. So this is so far this is very promising. This cable is very long. I'm not quite sure. Do they say how? Yeah, the cable is 6 meters long. This is awesome, seriously. And the weight is 58 grams. And inside you get, what else? You get this banana plug, which is the mono. So you can actually, now this this does not look like a high quality stuff, but you still get it, so awesome. You get this little sponge so that you don't get that bassy effect, and you get this little clip. So let's install the clip. I think, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. And you know what? Can I actually connect this thing to my camera? What else do we have? Do we have anything else inside the box? I don't know how to pronounce this, but there we go, BOYA. And this is a sticker, and it actually looks like, well, I was gonna say high quality, but maybe on this side, yeah. But yeah, it is. It's actually a good quality sticker. It's actually beautiful quality sticker, which I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, but there you have it. And there is the yeah, it's the original one. What else do we have? This is the manual. Okay, how to open it. So you know what? As I said, let's connect this thing to my computer, and let's see how good this thing actually well sounds. Okay, so this is my first microphone, and this is the Audio Technica together with Rhodes Lavalier microphone. And this is the sound that you get out of it. Now I am currently like 5 centimeters away from the microphone, I would say. So next thing I'll do is I'll connect the BOYA one. Okay, so now I have connected the BOYA microphone, and again the distance is the same as the Rode one. So this is the sound that you get out of BOYA one. So yeah, you be the judge whether this thing is worth 15 to 20 euros or not. So there you have it. I think this is quite a good device, and definitely worth the money. So yeah, I would recommend you buy it. Anyway, enough of me. If you like this video, please click thumbs up. If you did not, you know what to do. And yeah, until the next time. Bye.